Back in the kitchen with another one with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. This one is going to be a salt-free pan-fry cabbage served with some green banana. Hopefully you guys will like the recipe. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Remember to check out the Caribbean Cuisine salt-free season. They are amazing. This is some healthy dish, healthy recipe, healthy dinner, healthy lunch, wherever you want to have it, guys. But today we're going to be doing some pan fry. We're going to be doing not pan fry, some fried cabbage, and we're going to put some okra and bits and pieces in it. So stay tuned in, and it's going to be a lovely recipe, guys. So 100% you guys will love the one. Thank you so much for tuning into the show. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click in the notification bell, and also go over to my Instagram and my Facebook page and tune in with Chef Ricardo Cooking, guys. Yeah, right now me there, I cook some green banana, and I'm gonna show you how to fry up the cabbage. Stay tuned in today with this beautiful recipe from Chef Ricardo. Alright, we got 35% on it. So let's crack on with the show right now. Yeah. So basically, I'm gonna be doing a quick pan fried cabbage. We're gonna do some pan fried cabbage right here. Alright. So I'm just turn on the frying pan, turn on the stove, and put some oil on the frying pan like this. Roughly about a teaspoon of olive oil inside of the frying pan. Alright. What I want to simply say to you, if you want to get my garlic press, here it is. One of the best garlic press in the world is on Chef Ricardo website, chefricardo.co.uk. You can go over there and you can get my garlic press. So the first thing what we're going to do, we're going to squeeze in some garlic inside of the frying pan like this. Alright, that's the first thing we're going to do, is get some garlic into the frying pan. Alright. Yeah, because the garlic definitely gonna bring in a lovely flavor. It's an amazing dish today. Alright? Yeah. So we got 2 cloves of garlic so far. Hold on the first. What's going on, Chef Ricardo? Get out my salt free season. Remember to check out the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice website. Yeah. Remember to check them out. 100%. Alright? Check them out. We're going to be using the salt-free all-purpose season today. And also then got, not gonna use a fish one. Then not gonna use this one neither. We're just gonna be using the salt-free season all-purpose today. That's the one we're gonna be using. Alright? Yeah. So we got 3 cloves of garlic inside of the frying pan. And we're just gonna put in a 2-other one inside of it. Make that go, you know, simmer in the meantime. Nice one. Alright, in the meantime, what I want to simply say to you, I got a medium size white onion, which I'm going to be using also inside of it. So that's the white onion I'm putting inside of the pot. Alright, right now that's the white onion. Alright. We're using a medium-sized white onion. We got some carrot, which we're going to also use. Yeah, man. We're going to put some carrot in the pot. Alright. I'm using 2 medium-sized carrots. Smell that garlic. Wow. The garlic smells amazing. Alright. So we got the garlic, we got the white onion, we got some spring onion, which we're gonna also put inside of it. Got some white onion. Alright. To be honest, we got some peppers we're gonna also use inside of it. We're gonna use a bell pepper. Alright. Yeah, this is the bell pepper. Alright. Nice one. Yeah, beautiful. That is amazing. Fantastic one. Yeah. Beautiful one today from Chef Ricardo. Alright? So we got the bell pepper. We're going to put a tomato inside of it also. Alright, 1 medium-sized tomato. We got chili. We're going to put a medium-sized chili. Alright, you can put your Scotch bonnet pepper if you like. We got some fresh thyme. Alright, now we got some more white onion or spring onion I'm going to use inside of it. I'm going to say to you guys, a lot of people doesn't know spring onion is very good for you. Alright, and right here is a lot of fiber we have put inside of it. Alright, in every one of your diet at home, make sure you have a lot of fiber. Alright, very good and important for you. So as you can see right here, lovely and nice, a little bit more heat. Alright, so basically I got some okra and I want to put okra them all. I don't want to cut them up, I want to put them all inside of it. Sometimes you can cut up your okra them, but when you cut them up, they're too they're slimy. So I don't want to do that this time. Alright. Remember, if you want to get my garlic press, you go to my website, chefricardo.co.uk, get your garlic press. Alright, now we got some cabbage. I'm using some white cabbage and I've just cut up my cabbage already. Because I'm already prepped my cabbage. I'm going to pop that straight inside of it. And I'm going to give that a little bit of stir. Now, the Caribbean fusion sauce and spice season I'm using, and this one is the healthy side of cooking. I use a little bit of olive oil. You can use spray if you like, but I'm just using some olive oil. So what I'm going to do, to be honest with you, I'm just going to pour it from the bottle by our eyesight. I'm going to put roughly about a teaspoon inside of it, alright? The link for this will be in the description box, how to get this season. Salt-free, all-purpose season. The best in the world. Get your season, guys. Get your season. Very good for you, alright? Just gonna put some black pepper. That is lovely. Alright, now turn on the stove a little bit. You don't have it under too much high temperature. What you wanna do? Cover it and allow it to make it go and sweat in the meantime, alright? Trust me, beautiful recipe, simple, but also delicious. Right here. And honestly, this is just a simple little meal in the day, alright? It is Wednesday and a lot of people they home because a lot of people don't like work on Wednesday. Most people like for their home on Wednesday. Alright, they like to work on the weekend when they know it's a speed day. Alright. So yeah, let's cook some food in the day. And this one, it is amazing, trust me. And I'll tell you something, guys, it is good to have a little bit of fiber in your body. Trust me, it's good to have a little bit of a fiber in your body. 100%. Look at that. Smell that beautiful, smell the garlic. Oh my days. Beautiful. Don't jump out of the pot and jump into the fire. You will get burned. Alright? Yeah. This is fantastic and amazing. So as I can see, that's the okra. Okra doesn't take long to cook, guys. Trust me. Just give that a stir. And as you can see, it's frying up a little bit. So lovely and nice. Alright. Look at that. Colorful and everything is just looking good. That's exactly what Chef Ricardo talking about. Alright. Now, the thing what I want to simply say to you guys, this is a salt-free meal. Trust me. It's nothing for you to say, oh, you know what? It is just salt-free. If you are not interested in the salt-free world, trust me, this is not for you. Because there's no salt in this pot. Alright? Yeah. There's no salt. I'm using the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice Season. That's the one I've been using right now. It is salt-free. 100%. Alright, guys? So, if you want to get your season, you know where to go. Yeah. Go to Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice website and you can get it. Alright? Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Alright, it's just a quick, nice, lovely stir-fried vegetable for lunch. And I mean, you can have it for dinner. No meat or nothing inside of that. Oh, yeah, that looking fantastic and amazing. Alright? Yeah, beautiful one. So, yeah, man, that looking fantastic and amazing, guys. 100%. Alright. Yeah, beautiful one. This can be served with some real authentic Jamaican cooked banana. Yeah, that is beautiful. Alright, now this looking good over there. Can turn off the stove. This is finished now, you know. And you know, it's not good to cook out the whole fiber out of the vegetable neither. You have to leave a little bit of fiber. Alright, because you know, yeah, you don't want to overcook the vegetable. Alright, look at that. Beautiful and nice. Yeah. Yeah, man, this looking good. Salt-free stir pan-fried cabbage, guys. And you know what I mean, as I said, there's a lot of people that can't have salt, and a lot of people dying away from all salt and disease right now. So we have to reach out to all those people. You understand? Yeah. To make them know that there's something out there where they can use without any salt, and they still can enjoy their meal. And that's where Chef Ricardo come in and fill the gap. Alright, guys? 100%. Yeah. So, look at this. Alright, this is fantastic and an amazing recipe today from Chef Ricardo. Alright, just gonna simply get this ready up, and then we are good to go. Yeah, so right here, as you can see, alright, now look what's going on right now. This is exactly what's going on, because we have some cooked banana. Alright, over here we got some cabbage we just fry up. Oh my days, just for lunch. Yeah, we got the these are the okra. Alright, trust me, can't go wrong with them kind of food and idea, you know. Yeah, can't go wrong, can't go wrong. Look at this beautiful okra. Alright, yeah, that's exactly what Chef Ricardo talking about in the kitchen. Yes, this is exactly what I'm talking about. Look at that. That looking so delicious. Ah. Yeah, man, this looking fantastic and an amazing. Yeah, this is what happened idea in Wednesday. So if you're at home and you feel like you want to do something different in idea, just do something like this. Something healthy and delicious. Alright, beautiful one. Look at that. Yeah, that's exactly what Chef Ricardo talking about right there. Something healthy and also delicious. Alright, so yeah, salt free. Alright, salt free all purpose season from the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice website. They are the one who did that one. And honestly, it is one of the best ever for such a long time. Jamaica natural Natural Jamaican, always a mix it up, you know. Big up yourself, shout out. Alright guys, that's the recipe for the day today from Chef Ricardo, you know what I mean? Something different on the plate. And that's how we normally do it when we are in the kitchen. Hey J-Man Jamaican, where you going with? Big up yourself, man. Nice to see you. Yeah, alright. So right there guys, as you can see, can't go wrong. Yeah. Morning, morning my boss. Morning, good morning. Hey, yes, Jamaican recipe queen. Yeah, you need some banana and some cabbage you can go and work for eat for lunch. Yes. Thank you so much, you guys, for tuning into the show. Honestly, we got some more recipe. Definitely will be coming up from Chef Ricardo. You know, we try our best to give you some of the most fantastic and fine dining recipe them in the world. And that's where Chef Ricardo are here to fill the gap. Alright, so yeah.